Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper the Model Builder, and we're going on with Locomotive. Yes, and we started with one of the first kettles to do, and we're doing two more. Right in front of me, I've got the few stages, so let's get straight into that and have a look at that. There you go, magazine number 7, box number 7, and as you can see, the kettle that we're going on. More trains coming on, and in history, first kettle that we do is in 25. And we're going through this one pretty quickly, I think. So we're extending the first kettle that we've built, and in 26 we're extending even more and have that, and 27 and 28 are the last few, and I'll show you then when I get to that video, but we're staying on this one. And have a look at the back. A beautiful steam train, photo train. There's a train and a locomotive. Let's get to that 25. All right, stage 25, as you can see right there, and I've got a beautiful kettle again. Let's see how we do this one. So from the top camera you can see right in there, and that's where we're going to screw into with BMs and a bit of oil. And we do need a long neck screwdriver where we put those on, and some more BPs. Then we get that little thing out. And that flew away a long way. And if I do find it, I will. Oh, I think I did. No, I did not. It's something else. But it flew away a long way, and I can't do anything about that anymore. So we lost one, but that is this stage done. So let's go to the next one. All right, this is stage 26. So we're looking at those together with that. So this is how it should go together. That. The orientations is those two round things, and then the two little ones in the back. That's how it is orientated. No, and we put some more BMs in there. So we've got that. This one we're putting on like so, and 3 more BMs on there. Can you actually see that? It's going up in the air, isn't it? And the last screw for this stage. And that is what we have. Now we've got 1, 2, 3 of those to put in, those little thingies that I just broke. So be careful when you put them in. And that is that one finished. And that is what we do in the next well, you can see right there, it's a pretty hefty build. Although this is going horizontal and not vertical like it is now, it's still pretty big, as you can see. So please like, subscribe, and pass it on, and join me then when I do some more. And check out my channel with the builds that you see right behind me. I really hope you will join me next time on this build or any of those. I hope to see you then. Bye bye.